Alright, what's up people, and welcome back to Rachel Tech. And before we begin the video, I'd like to thank everybody for 60 subscribers. I find it so funny because 3 days ago, I uploaded a video thanking everybody for 50, and now we're up to 60, so woo! Thank you guys so much. Anyways, today I'm going to be teaching you how to add a yellow highlight around, or it doesn't even need to be yellow. I'm going to be teaching you guys how to add a highlight around your mouse. So I'm on Windows, sorry Mac users, even though I do have a black mouse, but that is because I set it to be black. But the point is that today we are going to be adding a highlight to our mouse. So click over here and search the word mouse, and mouse settings should pop up, so click on that. Once you're in mouse settings, go over here to additional mouse options. You are going to click over here, and here is basically all the different things that the mouse can do. Those are the different things it will turn in depending on the situation that the mouse is in. So basically we have the arrows, different things like that, and we want to try to get these images that are over here. These are images. We want to try to get a highlight in the image. So I have a plan. Here's what we're gonna do. Head on over to your web browser. Sorry if I blur out all my recent searches. So you are basically just going to open up a website called rwdesigner.com. And in RW Designer, I know the website isn't secure. Keep in mind this is a very old website. I think it was around in like 2009, which that isn't really that old when you think about it, but you know what I'm saying. So basically, we get this website, and you're going to head on over to Gallery. And in Gallery, you're going to see many different images. And guys, keep in mind, if you guys want, you can download any of these, and these will become your cursor. So you can download any of these, really. But just to keep it simple, like you can get these Minecraft stuff, but just to keep it simple, we're going to go with the classic yellows. So you see how that's a 3 bundle? That is because it comes with the entire package. So remember how we saw like the different arrows that the mouse can become in different situations? So that's what this package is. I'm going to go for blue. And now you're just going to hit the download button. Basically, once you have it downloaded, you're basically just going to open up your File Explorer. Sorry once again for a lot of blurring, but open up your File Explorer, and you are going to go to Downloads. And sorry once again for all the blurring. And over here, we have our mouse. So you're going to click Control X, or you can just left click it and click Cut. But don't click Copy, because when you click Copy, it will keep this version in the download file, and it will just, you'll have 2 of them on your computer. So now what you're going to want to do is you are going to want to go to Local Disk C, Windows, and you are going to go to Cursors. So Cursors, click on that, and now you're basically just going to Control V it or paste it in. And it is going to ask you for permission, but keep in mind that you are editing a system folder, so give it permission. It takes 2 seconds, and there is that, and that is my other one. So now let's see what happens when we head on back into mouse settings. So here is our mouse settings. So basically we're just going to go once again to additional mouse options, and now we are going to once again click on the second tab, and now we have to figure out how to get the blue highlighted mouse into the sequence. So here's what you're going to do. You're going to click this browse button over here, and you are going to find your file, or you're going to find it. See, we have the blue one, so click on the blue one, click open, And now we have that open. So you can save it as a preset, so click Save As, and then just call it, I guess you could just call it Highlight 1, and click OK, and now you have your highlight. So, now when we click OK, watch what happens. We have a blue highlight. Now, why is this blue highlight so important? This blue highlight is very important for people like me who do tutorials and we don't have a highlight and it's kind of hard for people to see. I did get that black mouse though. If you guys do want a black mouse, I will really briefly go over how to get that. You're basically just going to go once again into more options, second tab, and you're going to click this drop down menu and click either black large or black extra large and you will get that. And if you guys ever wanted to erase this highlight, you are just going to go here and select another preset, click OK, and your mouse will reset. So let's switch that back because I think the highlight is kind of cool. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Once again, thank you for 60 subscribers. I will be seeing you guys very soon. So I hope this tutorial helped you. Comment below if it did. Leave a like, and I will see you guys real soon. Bye!